First dive, I am at Charna Island in Pakistan. We enter the water by back rolling in, which is a bit of an adrenaline kick. But as soon as you descend down, that is when our heart rates naturally align with the ocean's rhythm. So you naturally feel very, very calm, and this kind of an embrace of the ocean that is just so reassuring, it's so rejuvenating, in itself becomes an addiction. My name is Nurusaba Adamji, and I'm an ocean advocate, scuba diver, and community leader at Tide Tribe.
The word scuba stands for self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. My name is Farhan and I am a scuba diver and I've been diving since the past 12 years.
Pakistan is bestowed with a beautiful coastline. We have warm waters for most part of the year.
जब हमें पता चला कि एक शिप wreck हुआ हुआ है तो उस तक पहुंचना was a task. That experience was so amazing कि वहाँ पर इतनी abundance में marine life थी कि जब आप नीचे से ऊपर देखते हैं तो वो sunlight block कर रही थी.
Charna Island and Astola Island are two of the most popular dive sites that we have here. They offer great diving conditions. The water is mostly smooth. The depth levels are also varying. It is the site that introduced me to the ocean and the life underneath.
अच्छा, डाइविंग करते हुए कुछ चीज़ों का आपको ख्याल करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, लाइक द वेदर कंडीशंस. अगर सी रफ होता है या कुछ सर्टन सीजन्स होते हैं जिसके अंदर हम डाइव करते हैं, विच स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अक्टूबर एंड गोज अप टिल अप्रैल. यू आर ऑलवेज सपोज टू डाइव विद अ बडी, बिकॉज इफ समथिंग गोज रॉन्ग तो आपके पीछे कोई होना चाहिए असिस्ट करने के लिए. ये चीज़ें होती हैं जो एक डाइवर को पता होनी चाहिए और डाइवर को फॉलो करनी चाहिए, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी डू while diving.
Pakistan has untapped maritime potential. It requests us to explore further, go in, take the plunge, and experience for what it is offering.
Come engage in water sports, diving, snorkeling, ये सारी activities की जा सकती हैं. हमारा Pakistan is beautiful and it holds a great potential when it comes to coastal tourism and blue economy.